Hi guys, this video is about small tips and tricks with handling your swimming pool, and I've done this for about 2 years or so, and yeah, you learn always a little bit how to use the chemicals, what chemicals to use, how much to use, when to use. So this is my experience about the algae, like green algae eliminator. So in the past I've been using this only when I really had algae, especially green algae, and when using this I have found on the back side of the product. So here unfortunately I we don't see the back side, I think. Yeah, it says that you can use this on a regular base to prevent to get some algae, which is actually a good thing because if you have them already, it uses a lot of chemicals, a lot of work, a lot of filter change and filter clean to get rid of algae. So it's always a good thing to prevent algae. And yeah, so I have started now with this to put this in on a regular base. Now it's winter or early spring. Now it's just still winter, and but the temperatures in Florida here, they are already like summer. We are close to 90 degrees, and also during the night it's above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like summer in Chicago probably. And yeah, the pool has become quite warm, so it's around 78 or close to 80 degrees, and with regular um, adding some green algae eliminator on a regular base, I didn't have any problems with algae so far. But of course, in summer it will get even warmer, and it I will see on the long term how it works. But this is not the only reason why I put this in. If it was just for the algae, I probably wouldn't do that. It's too much chemicals, too much hassle, too much cost. But I have found out that there are two very different, two really important reasons, at least for me, why I do that. I have found out, and it's not described anywhere, I have found out that this also improves the filter performance extremely, not just a little bit, but really extremely. So I had always problems with my filters. Probably the pump is too weak, even when it's new pump, or maybe the pipes are too small. I never really figured out what the problem is, or maybe it's the solar heater. I don't know, but I had always problems with the filter performance, and since I'm using this on a regular base, the filter performance is much better. And also, second thing is if you have some like insects, sometimes even when you're using a cage like we do here in Florida, sometimes you're having small bugs or spiders. Spiders can they can crawl through even the tiniest uh, hole or yeah crack and come in. Sometimes like a couple of years ago, I had some bigger spiders. Not the, I think they were not poison or something like that, but they were not really nice to look at. You don't want to have them in swimming pools. And when you put this green algae eliminator into your pool, it kills the surface tension, or it reduces it at least very much, so the spiders are not able to walk on the surface anymore. They will drown. So yeah, it's maybe a little bit tough. So you can't save the spiders and put them back, but when you put them back, they come back. When you put them out of your cage, they will come back next day anyway. So it's probably, I mean, yeah, if you don't like the spiders too much, it's the really convenient way to put this in and let them drown, so you can just fish them out with your pool mesh easily. Yeah, the only thing which I have found which is a disadvantage if you put in too much, at least in at one time or over the whole time, then it can produce a little bit of bubbles. But yeah, you actually have to really put a lot into your pool. If you just put in maybe 1 or 2 ounces a week, then you shouldn't have too much problems with bubbles, and you still have the positive effects. So yeah, that's it for from my side. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write in the comment section below. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.